Meet the Horo T38 Smart Toilet. Experience the future of bathroom comfort and hygiene with the Horo T38 Smart Toilet. Designed for modern living, this innovative toilet combines cutting-edge technology with sleek design. Its immersive art light creates a soothing ambiance, while the built-in water tank ensures consistent performance, unaffected by water pressure. Convenience meets luxury with an auto-open and close lid, a heated elongated seat with 4 adjustable temperature levels, and a warm air dryer offering customizable comfort. The T38 prioritizes hygiene with features like UV light, antibacterial cleaning, auto deodorization, and pre-wet technology to minimize residue. The dynamic LED display enhances usability, and the intelligent nightlight provides added convenience in low light. Enjoy multiple cleaning modes tailored to your needs, making every visit a refreshing experience. Upgrade your bathroom with the Horo T38 and indulge in the perfect blend of style, comfort, and advanced functionality.
Let me go over some of the features of this toilet. It's got an automatic seat raise. When you go in front, it automatically raises up. That's nice. It's also got a button on the bottom. You can raise up the seat. And then if you press it one more time, it will flush. And then it's got this nice LED screen on the back that has different faces. It'll give me a wink. You can also change this light on the back, the different mood lights. I like the blue, but you can change those out to different colors. Probably my favorite feature on this toilet is the remote. This thing comes packed with many different features on this remote. You can control the water temp, the air temp, and the seat temp. Each one of these has 3 different levels. You can also clean the bidet nozzle. Right there it comes out and then you can clean it. You can also turn the night light off and on. I like to keep it on. And this button right here lets you switch between hot and cold water on the wash. You can also flush the toilet from the remote. And it has a posterior wash and a feminine wash. It also has a dryer you can control. That's pretty cool. The dryer comes out right there. You can also control the nozzle position for the bidet and also the water pressure from the remote. Pretty cool. I've absolutely had a blast using this toilet. One of my favorite features is this night light built in. It's completely dark in this room and I can still see everything I need on this toilet to function. Even the button on the bottom has a LED light on it. You just press it and then press it one more time and it'll shut the lid and flush. That is an awesome feature in the dark. Alright, to cycle through the 4 different atmosphere lights, all you do is press this top button and the flush button together. You'll hear it beep, and you can change through the different lights by hitting the water pressure plus button. Let's check out everything that's included with this toilet, and also let's check out the installation process. First thing you want to do is remove this old boring toilet. Alright, once you get your old toilet removed, it comes with this template. I would go ahead and check and make sure there's enough room for your toilet to fit. There's plenty of room here, so now we can go on to the next step. It also comes included with this floor flange. I already had one installed on my setup, so now all I have to do is install the mounting blocks, and all you got to do is put a washer and a nut on those. Next, you're going to install the wax ring to the bottom of the toilet. Then you can set your toilet on the flange. Next, it's time to install the included T-valve and tighten. Next, you want to plug the toilet into the power supply and hit the power button to make sure the toilet is not leaking. Alright, once you get that screw tightened, then you can cover it with a decorative cap. It comes with white and silver. We're going to go with the white caps, and they just pop right on. Next, we're going to install the remote control to the wall, and it just screws right in. Horo also offers this battery backup in case you lose power. This just plugs right in the back of the toilet. You can still flush the toilet if it's not plugged in, or say you lose power. I absolutely love this toilet. I didn't think I would enjoy all these features, but now that I've experienced these features, I don't think I can go back. This toilet was also not hard to install. It didn't take me but a few minutes and I was up and running. For the price, this toilet is hard to beat. I've seen much higher toilets with less features. This thing is packed with many different features for the price. And Horo is a great company. They make really high quality products. There are so many features on this toilet that I enjoyed. Probably my favorite is probably the remote and the heated seat. I really enjoyed that. I highly recommend this toilet. Go check it out. It'll be linked down below.